This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make Gobi ki kheer or cauliflower rice pudding. Take 2 standard cups cauliflowers. Grate, wash, strain its water and keep aside. Boil 1 liter full fat milk while stirring at times. To another pan, add 2 tablespoons clarified butter or pure ghee. Add grated cauliflowers. Stir fry for 5 minutes till its raw smell goes off. Add the stir-fried cauliflowers to the boiling milk and cook for about 3 minutes. Add half teaspoon cardamom or elaichi powder. Mix 1/4 cup rice flour in half cup milk and gradually add this to the pan while stirring continuously to prevent formation of lumps. Cook for 1 minute. Add ground fine paste of 1/4 cup almonds. Add 3/4 cup condensed milk. 1/4 cup sugar. Cook for about 5 minutes. Dish out and garnish with sliced almonds, cashews and pistachios. Cauliflower rice pudding or Gobi ki kheer is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.